Hi everyone, my name is St-Germain and welcome to our channel again, Journey to Freedom, where you can follow along on our journey to financial freedom through the worlds of Shopify and dropshipping. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video. Today, we're going to be talking about the 3 secrets that you need to know to achieve dropshipping success. So let's get right into it. Secret number 1, you need to have a strong why. What do I mean by that? What is a strong why? The why is your motivation. It's your reason for pursuing anything, right? If you have a job, what's your why? Your why is that you need to pay off your bills. You need to pay your regular expenses, your mortgage, or any of your daily expenses to sustain your family. That's your why. And typically that's a strong enough why for you to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning for 5 days a week and go to your job, right? Similarly, for your business venture, for your dropshipping store, you need to have a strong why. Why exactly are you pursuing this? Why are you taking the effort to develop this store and utilizing your extra time to invest it into developing a Shopify dropshipping store? What is your why? What is your motivation? You need to be very clear on that why, because that is what will help you to get through difficult times. Because you need to understand what the motivation is. Our why, as we mentioned many times in our videos, is we want to achieve financial freedom through this business venture so that later on in life we don't need to be doing a job and we can call the shots. So that's our big motivational why. You need to be very clear what your why is, and ideally it needs to be an emotional reason that you can relate to, right? So that why is going to be your pull factor. If your dream is big enough, the facts don't matter, right? Whatever difficulties might be in your way, if that dream is big enough, the facts really do not matter because you'll overcome them. The hurdles will be there, but you'll overcome the hurdles to achieve that dream nonetheless if it's strong enough. If the why is big enough, you'll bear with any how that you may have to get to that goal, right? Seek a regular dose of inspiration. I hope this is what this video provides you, but at the same time, look for other sources of inspiration. This is something that your mind needs on a regular basis. Motivation is not something that you take on once and then it lasts you a lifetime. It doesn't work that way. You need to seek a regular dose of motivation to guide you and to keep you focused on your goal, especially during those challenging times. Hope you're finding value in the content so far, guys, and if you are, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time that we put out a brand new video. And make sure you stay till the end of this one to catch all the content, and comment below on what you like and what you'd like to hear about. Stay with us. Secret number 2, you need to keep failing forward. Now, this may sound very counterintuitive, but you cannot avoid failure on the path to success. Now, I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, which I'll tag up here, but this is something you cannot avoid. You need to stay focused instead. Don't focus on avoiding failure. Focus on failing fast and failing forward. What do I mean by that? Each failure teaches you something. There's a lesson that is to be taken out of every failure, especially when you look at it from a cold, unemotional standpoint. So the faster you fail, the faster you're actually learning, right? So think of it in that way. You need to always be failing forward, not backwards, failing forward. So you're taking the next step and progressing through each failure. So focus on failing faster and failing forward. The person who succeeds the most is usually the one who has failed the most before getting to that success, right? So think of it as a natural step on the journey, and the faster that you go through those steps of failure, you will achieve your success faster. Don't shy away from taking educated risks with your business capital. That is what will lead to the learning process and make it faster. Think about investing that money as opposed to losing that money. Take educated risks to get the return and reward that can come if that investment proves to be correct. Question of the day. What was your biggest failure in your dropshipping journey so far? Comment down below. let us know what your experience has been. What has been your biggest failure to date in your dropshipping journey, and what did you learn out of that experience? So secret number 3, always be learning. Always be learning. What does that mean again? The day you think you know it all is the day that you have stopped progressing. That's a very simple formula in life. If you think you know it all and you stop learning, you're no longer progressing in your life. So you need to always be learning. Have you figured out dropshipping? If you have, learn private labeling. If you have learned and figured out how to use sourcing agents, start learning how to do fulfillment through the United States locally. If you've figured out how to do branded stores, try print on demand. If you've figured out how to do Facebook ads testing, learn how to do Facebook ads scaling, right? So always look for the next new thing that can expand your knowledge set. And that's what will get you ready for all the challenges that your business will throw at you. So join groups, seek mentorship from other people. It doesn't need to be a one-to-one relationship, right? Go on YouTube, look for different people who have achieved the success that you're looking for, right? And follow them on a routine basis, and they essentially become your mentor, even though they may not realize it, but they are effectively your mentors. So seek mentorship from people who have achieved what you want to achieve in life. And like I said at the beginning of this third point, always be learning. So I hope those 3 secrets have been valuable for you, and if they have been, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video. Stay tuned till the next one.